Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Lakshman and you are watching to me. Today I'm going to make a video unboxing a new phone holder for a tripod. I bought it from Amazon. It's very cheap guys, it's just $15. I'll add a link to the description. You can go through the link and buy the same phone holder as your wish. Thank you so much guys, see you next video. Okay, this is the smartphone holder I have today. I ordered this from Amazon. So you can see this is the label in which there are my addresses and other details. So it is the smartphone holders for tripod stands. Okay, uh, without any delay, let's unbox it. Going faster, going faster. Here, written as a gift. Oh my god, it's Gensite high quality phone tripod mount. It's made in China. Here we can see all the features. Let's see what are some things over here. And I have a receipt. And from this Amazon I have a receipt. Okay, this is the tripod smartphone holder. You can see here labels, everything's here. Features like 360 rotation, can control the size of the mobile phone installation. 360 rotation mobile phone can installation material like plastic product is plastic product guys, and maximum weight 1 kg. Mobile phone size 50 mm to 105 mm, and we can see like clamping raise 58 to 105 mm. It's model. Okay, high quality. Let's open this one too. Oh yeah, we have remote control as well. We have remote over here. So guys, just I'll quickly open it. And we have here the owner's manual book, how to operate this one. Will here some features or the specifications. Battery, I think we have battery over here. We can see camera 360 iOS, and it's for Android. Maybe I think we have, yes, we have battery over here. Yeah, just go inside. Yes, and we can pull this way. I will handle this. Yes, I will join this one later. Okay, nice. Oh, this is the smartphone holder. Wow, lovely. See, this is too strong. Yeah, where one knob is here. Yeah. Wow, nice. I bought it because I have recently bought the tripod stand, but unfortunately the phone holder was broken and I need to again order from Amazon. So guys, this is the smartphone holder and it goes to any direction you want. See, it again extends. I will extend more. Okay guys, I'll fix this phone to this holder and capture some photos through it. I'll try it. Yeah, I just fixed it. So now I will just take out this one. I will take out this one and fix the new phone holder. So guys, I just removed that holder and fixed the new holder, which is this one, and I've already fixed it through this one. You can fix it easily. And so now I will just connect the remote to the phone and click some photos through it. So guys, when you open your phone, just go to the setting and turn the Bluetooth on, and you will see there. And one more thing guys, you have to first turn here one button. You have to turn this on and you will see the light flashing, and after that, only after that, you will see yes, have you seen here AB shutter 3? You have, it's been connected, it's already connected. Now I can capture photos. It's Android guys. So when I click here, yes, the photo is taken. Yeah, you can see here the photo as well. Yeah. Okay guys, this phone holder is really good than this smartphone holder. I got this from the same tripod, but this looks so strong, and this is 360 wherever. If you lose this bottom, you can turn anywhere you want, like any angle changes, and you can fix or lose through this knob, and which makes your video quality good. So if you are starting your YouTube channel and making videos, guys, I also make videos through my mobile, so I have bought mobile holder. So this is very good holder for beginners or who have just started YouTube channel.